ladies and gentlemen, I just want to start out by showing you guys where we parked at last night. Which is the Loves. Alright. Now this is where we unloaded at. That's where we parked at last night. This is the Campbell's delivery, Campbell's soup. This is where we unloaded at. Campbell's in Paris, Texas. Now, what I want to do is there's a train sitting right over here. We got a bird after us. There's a train over here though that I'm wanting to see if we can't get us a good look at. Got us a little above the power lines. It looks like he might have backed up some. Like I say, I'm just wanting to get a look at the train. Oh well, wait a minute. The engines are not attached. Alright, I'm gonna back us up a little bit. Bring it down. Maybe I won't get in no trouble for doing this. Now, I cannot tell. Okay, there we go. And a little bit lower. And let's get a little bit closer look at the train. And like I say, I just wanted to get us a little bit closer look at the train. Now where we actually unloaded was over there behind that building. I don't think my drone will quite reach that far. When I seen that train though, I thought right there, uh-oh, I'm stuck back here. I'm gonna be stuck back here for a while. Luckily it did not pass the crossing. Luckily it is detached. Alright, let's back up just a little bit more. Alright, now what I'm going to do is see if I can't get you a side view. Gotta be careful and not hit the power lines up there. Because the way it is, I'm sitting right above them. So I'm having to watch the screen and the power lines. Just a quick little sample video here, if you will. Just trying out something new, something different. I don't know if there's an engineer in there or not. I can't really see.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
Alright, my battery's getting low, so we are going to have to back on out of here. Hopefully you enjoyed this little quick view of the train, the engine, Campbell's soup. And we appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you hadn't. If you don't want to, that's fine. But if you do, hit that notification bell so you know when we upload our new videos. All right, appreciate you guys watching.